If you're on the hunt for student accommodation in Houston, your search ends here at Sterling Union. This residence offers a wide range of en-suites and studios, ensuring both comfort and privacy. Each room boasts a large window, plush beds with an overhead shelf, and a spacious private bathroom equipped with a shelving unit for all your essentials. The walk-in closet provides ample space for clothing items and accessories. In the kitchen, you'll find appliances like a fridge, cooktop, and microwave that will help you make all your favorite dishes. After a long day of classes, unwind with a refreshing swim in the pool or hang out with friends in the games room. Centrally located, Sterling Union is a popular choice among students of Sam Houston State University, which is within walking distance. There are plenty of dining options such as Denny's Restaurant and Jack in the Box, where you can order a takeaway. On weekends, explore faraway destinations by taking a bus from the Huntsville bus stop to visit places like Huntsville State Park or Eastham Thomason Park. In the vast city of Houston, discover your perfect home at Sterling Union Student Accommodation by securing your stay at amberstudent.com.